what's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Alicia. If you're returning, hi my beautiful people. So today I am doing a lace front install for you guys. A lot of people have been asking me where I get my hair from and how I install my wig, so I thought I would finally come and do a video for you guys. I have tried to shoot this video at least 3 times and I'm a perfectionist, so every time I see the video I just hate the video, so I wouldn't post it. So this video hopefully will go up and you guys will finally see what I do to accomplish my lace fronts. Yeah, I think this video will be a beginner friendly. It is going to be a voiceover because it was too much to concentrate on talking to you guys and trying to do my hair at the same time. It just didn't work, period. But you can follow me at Lusting Ambition on Instagram, and you can also follow me on my business page at Shop Lusting Ambition, where I sell eyelashes, cosmetics, things like that. I also will be releasing hair, wigs a little later into the year because you know what I'm saying. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for the support. We are at 857 subscribers as of right now, and I really do appreciate it. It may be small to some, I'm gonna say that in every video, but it is a big thing for me to have 800 people watching my videos. Some of y'all watching my videos, at least supporting me. I appreciate it. I love you guys. Please stay tuned for the video. So on today's video, I'll be using 70% alcohol just to wipe away the makeup or any debris on my face that will prevent the lace front from laying properly. I'll be using a 24-inch deep wave lace front wig from my line today. My wig line should be launching next year. I will not be keep prolonging and telling you guys until I find out the exact date, but I'm just a perfectionist, so it'll be launching really soon. But yeah, this wig was everything. So now I'm just pushing everything back, preparing to lay down the wig glue. Today I'm going to be using Ghostbond XL. I really like the glue, but I kind of think that I want to switch it up. I think I'm going to try Bold Hold next, but Ghostbond is really good, especially because I'm out here in Guam and this heat is ridiculous. So it holds for the whole day. It actually holds for a couple days if you wrap it properly. So I just do dots all around my hairline, and then I use a comb, or sometimes I use a brush, like a makeup brush, just to evenly spread the glue around the perimeter of my forehead and around my edges. So now you see me going in with my second layer. Once the first layer dries down, completely clears when I go in with my second layer. I do 2 to 3 layers depending on how long I want to wear the wig. If I'm wearing the wig for a longer time, I'll go 3 layers. 2 layers is usually just like, you know, if I know I'm going to wear the wig for a couple days. But the glue usually lasts longer than a week or so if wrapped properly. So first off, don't be like me and press it in with your fingers. I suggest you press it in with the comb that I had, or like the clips on the side of my head. Sometimes I rub it in, but the oil from your finger or your hand, lotion, any of that can get into the lace, and it can affect the longevity of the glue and stuff like that. So yeah, you see me switch over to the comb and start pressing it in with the comb. That's the best results I get like best melting results I get is when I press it in with the comb. Yeah, the oil from your finger is really not good, so I suggest use a comb, sis. I'm just so obsessed with this wig. Like, this wig is so pretty. The lace was just everything. I struggled with the ear tabs. I always struggle with ear tabs, I feel like. But other than that, like, the lace melted so perfectly on this wig. Like, it was ridiculous. Like, it melted like butter once I finally got the ear tabs and everything together. It was really, really good. So what I like to do when I'm all done gluing down the lace front, I always go back and pull back the lace so that I can see the parts in the front that is not all the way secure. I'll take the edge of my comb or the rat tail comb, put a little bit of glaze glue on that, and like fill it in towards the beginning of the lace so that it melts seamlessly in my skin. So now I'm just gonna tie my edges down for a little bit, melt it a little bit more, put the headscarf on, maybe for like 5-10 minutes, maybe less, and just let it melt in a little bit more, and then take it off. And then I'm gonna try and style my baby hair. I really wish that I wouldn't have did any baby hair, that I would have just left the lace as it is, because it was so nice that I honestly didn't need baby hair, but you know. Like, look at this lace. Look at this lace, sis. Like, that looks impeccable. This wig was everything. That's why I can't wait till it launches. It's like everything. But yeah, now I'm gonna style it with some mousse. I use a Tresemme mousse. You just want to have a mousse that doesn't have any alcohol in it. If it does have alcohol in it, it does tend to lift the lace. Even though sometimes this one does if I put too much, but I've been using it for a long time. It really, really works good to keep my hair down. And it has shine to it. So yeah, I really, really like it. And baby hairs are kind of like a tedious thing. You just have to keep going and keep practicing until you figure out kind of what you like. So that's basically what I was doing here. Like I said, I honestly should have never just messed with it. Maybe I should have put like a few on the side, but I kept just messing with it and it kept making me aggravated. So yeah, I really shouldn't have did it, but I love this hair, so yeah. Now I got this hot comb off of Amazon, and I will be leaving a link to it. It was only like $30, I believe. It's a plug-up one. I honestly think I'm still gonna invest and getting a nice gold one that goes on the stove, because I feel like nothing really beats the heat of the one on the stove. Like, this one gets hot, but it doesn't get as hot as I would like it to. But for right now, it does the job. Especially when I have straight hair or wavy hair, it really presses it down. And so now I'm just taking like an angle brush and concealer. This is Maybelline in the color Hazelnut. And I actually use this for under my eye, but I just use it in my head because, you know, the hair, your scalp is a little bit lighter than your skin tone, so the concealer is just right. Highlight just to define my parting space. I like to do it a little bit, like I don't overdo it. I plucked it just a little bit, but you know, over time frontals shed, so I really don't like to go crazy with plucking. Just me personally. And so now, just to get that wet look, I'm going to take some conditioner and some water just in a spray bottle. I use coconut conditioner. I can't remember the brand right now, but it comes in that little circle bottle. I'm pretty sure a lot of you seen it. It's really good for curly hair. And I just mixed it with diluted it with a little bit of water, and I just spray that into my hair. So now I'm about to take the coconut oil serum from the company OGX. That's what the company is called. It's called OGX. They have really good products. I use the coconut oil and the coconut mist. I actually got that from the Real Naive on YouTube. She put me onto the mist, and I just like used the serum for my curly hair. The mist is really good for straight hair though, but really, really bomb. And so now I'm gonna use this curl defining mousse from Cara Curl or something like that. It's kind of expensive for mousse to me because I'm used to paying like $5. This mousse is like anywhere from $13 to $15, but it's really, really good on defining your curls, keeping that shine for the full day if you don't want to put gel in your hair. This is not really like the super, super wet look, but this is like semi-wet. But it keeps the curls and it defines it. It gives you that shine. This stuff is really, really bomb. So that concludes the video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave your comments below. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Once again, you guys can follow me at _lustingambition on Instagram. You can also follow me at shoplustingambition on my business page. This hair will be releasing soon. These lashes are also on my page in the style Baby Birkin and all that good stuff. But I will see you guys in the next video.